Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Priya. I hope you all are doing well. Well, today's topic is expectation. Do not expect anything from anybody, such as love, care, money, etc. Expectation hurts more. Coming to the point, even do not expect result of English fluency. Give your 100%. Do your level best. Try to do hard work. Really, if you wanna get fluency in English, you should do 4 to 5 tasks every day without skipping a single day. Those are thinking, listening, reading, writing, and speaking. If you do this exercise every day, definitely you will find your result in your future. Then what are you waiting for? Start study from today onwards. First you need to do is think. How to think in English? Grab one sentence and start to think on that using all grammars every day while you are doing home chores. For example, I go to temple, she goes to temple. Do you go to temple? Yes, I do go to temple every day. Does she go to temple? Yes, she does go to temple every day. No, she doesn't go to temple every day. Likewise, you should think on a particular sentence using 12 grammars. Second point is listening. Start listening whenever you will get free time. No matter where you are, just grab Bluetooth or headphones, put in your ears and start listening. While cooking, traveling, this is the good time I can say. According to my point of view, stop scrolling unnecessary videos in social media. Third point is reading. Start reading magazines, newspaper, books, or there are many English apps you should go with which is your favorite. But maintain consistency. Consistency is very important to get fluency. Fourth point is writing. Write whatever you have done from morning to night, what you have done yesterday, what you are going to do tomorrow, and sometimes you can write stories. Choice is yours. And last point is speaking. If you are a beginner, you should speak yourself. Stand in front of mirror, start to speak yourself. Choose one topic and speak on that topic. Speaking yourself, it can best platform I can say. Again, if you expect result and started study, certainly you will get hurt, irritation, annoying. Therefore, you should give your 100%. You do not expect automatically you will get result. Fluctuation will happen in our daily life, but don't give up. Thank you and see you in the next video guys. Take care. Bye bye.